to 25 Sweetpeas and welcome to day 3 of this fun little Valentine's mini series. Today I'm using a different little Valentine trio from Salon Perfect made up of 3 mini polishes that I think are super fun and perfect for Valentine's Day. Plus I like working with a limited color palette, so I think these are really fun and I think you guys are gonna like it. So first up, there is a glitter in this set and it's called She's a Star, very white base with like a gold yellowy green tone to it. Then we have this really pretty shimmer that is called Pucker'n Peach, and then lastly we have a really nice pink shade called Pink Powerhouse. So we are going to utilize these shades for this manicure, and first off I'm going to start with a base coat of Pucker'n Peach, and I don't mean a base coat like I have a regular base coat on. And then I would put on Pucker'n Peach, and this is a really nice formula. As you guys can see, it's also a really pretty shade. It takes about 2 coats to go full coverage, I would say, but it goes on super easy, super nicely too. Like, even though this type of finish usually pulls brush strokes, I didn't have any issues with this one. Like I mentioned in another video, sometimes mini bottles like have really bad brushes, but that is not the case for these polishes. They're actually really nice and easy to work with. So now we're going to go into the art, and I'm going to start by using Pink Powerhouse, and I'm going to put 3 strokes going down in size across my nail. And kind of, I don't remember what this, like this used to be a trend a long time ago, but I don't remember what it was called. But where you would do this and then you would layer a whole bunch of different colors going downwards, and it was always really fun. So I brought it back and I did it with the glitter on top of it just to kind of add something, and I felt like that brought all 3 of the colors together, and it was a good way to utilize all 3 shades in the color palette. So that is it, super easy, and I just used the brushes that were on the polishes. So there is the final look of this design. I hope you guys enjoyed this. You could actually do this with any color combo, but if you did have this little Salon Perfect set, this would be perfect. So that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye!